Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Calvin Star once again. As you know, we are the leading manufacturer in Pan India, and we are dealing in overseas. So I'm just introduce my one of our product. I can say it's a primary product, and the sale of this product is highly demanded. Right now, this is our Softy ice cream machine. Right, this is dual operating machine. It means it has everything dual. Right, like dual operating system, dual motors. I can show you. These are the dual motors of the machine with the dual gearbox. Every compartment have its own motor and gearbox. With that, it has dual compressor as well. Right, if I'm talking about the compressor, many people will import the machine from China, but we never import anything from China. We having our own manufacturing, so we are using only Indian spare part, or else apart from China, like this compressor is made in Brazil. Right, this is the Embraco compressor. For the ice cream purpose, the Embraco compressor is highly recommended. Right, so this is the main compressor, as you can see, and this is the 4 lane condenser. You can say the exhaust, which exit or exhaust the heating from the machine. Right, and this is the small compressor that is useful to maintain the temperature of hopper, or you can say in local language, tanks. And this is its exhaust system, or the compressor. Right, as you can see, the whole body stands on strong pillars of steel. Right, now I'm showing you the display part. This is our logo, as you can see. Right, this is our branding, Calvin Star. Here, as you can see, L and R. L for left, R for right. L serve mode. It means the ice cream is in process to frozen or making or is ready, and right is right. Hopper temperature, it means the temperature showing of tanks or the hopper. Right, so it has all dual operating system in buttons as well. Like as you can see, this is the tap button, that's for cleaning. This is ice indication, that is for frozen, and this is the temperature, that indicates the storage mode. Right, this is the on off button. As you can see, this is the head of the machine. It has 3 levers, 2 for the separate flavors. I want to show you something. In left we are putting mango, in right we are putting vanilla flavor. Right, so whenever you take your Softy, from the left you got mango flavor separate, from right you got vanilla flavor separate, and in middle you got the mix up of both flavors. Right, now if I'm talking about the comparison, I'll give you a little comparison in the imported machine from China and in made in India machine. First of all, the body we are making with SS304 steel only, and we are using Jindal company steel. Right, Jindal is a known name in industry for steel making. Right, this is the rust free and fireproof steel. Right, all the spare part in the machine, the small spare part also are made by with the same steel, like the frozen tank also made by SS steel. Right, the other things, the base, the sides, as you can see. Right, this is a base model. In this model we don't have counting meter, but whatever the model we are giving you, you got a counting meter as well in the machine. Right, now if I'm talking about the thickness of steel what we use, as you can see, it is a side of the machine. Right, now for example I have to punch this to show you what is the strongness or the quality of the steel. As you can see, you can hear the sound. I'm not punch it very slowly, I'm just punch it hard as soon as I possible. If it is a China machine, and if it is a side of a China machine, so the side of the you can say steel, it can dent on it, or my hand got hurt also. But you can see the thickness. And if I'm talking about the weight, Chinese machines using steel, that not steel, actually that's iron 201, that covered with nickel polish, right? But we are using only SS304 steel because that is useful for food grade, that is hygienic to health, and that is sustainable also, right? Now I'm showing you this beaters. First of all, I'm showing you Chinese beater. This kind of beater we have, it is like a toy. It's not a machine part. It is like, it's iron. As you can see the rust, right? This is purely low quality of plastic. It can break easily. It never give you the volume or the output. It is like a toy, nothing at all. Now I'm showing you my beater. Actually it's only a beater, but we have the shaft with SS304, right? It has two attachment. I'll show you. This is the beater. Actually beater is this, not that, and that is the shaft. We are after the R&D, we are decide to make a shaft with a spiral combination that helps to rotate your material and provide you the double of output, right? I mean, for example, if you put 5 liters of material over here, so you got around 10 to 12 liters of output from our machine. That is give you assurance from our end, right? You can see the steel, what kind of steel we are using. And one more thing, please वो मुझे दीजिए. You can compare with this plastic also. This is our plastic, what we use. This is the food grade plastic, right? And this is the Chinese one. So now if I'm talking about the consumption of electricity, because many people, many buyers having a point that what is the cost of electricity. This machine have its own sensor. I mean, whenever it's come to a particular temperature, whatever we set as per the international standard, so the motor and the compressor automatically got cut off, I mean got off, right? And whenever we take our ice creams from the head, as per their sensor, it's start again as per their sensor or as per their requirement, right? So it means it take, moral of the story, it's take lesser electricity, right? Now we are giving you Softy serving. We are taking first of all mango. See, this is the quality we have. Ripple, proper mounted, and I'm showing you the thickness. You can see that. See, in the Softy, if you don't have thickness or softness both, because the Softy is a combination of thickness and the creaminess. If you don't have that, so the customer never repeat to you. You can see that, right? And if you eat this as a customer, so you can eat easily around 10 to 15 minutes. It's never melt or it's never fell also, as you can see. Now we are showing you, we have put it back in the tank. See, we are forcing it. See, that shows the quality what we have. Wow, what hardness we have. See, now it's fell. Now I'm requesting to Mr. Suresh, please make a vanilla with a long tail. Great, great. See, it's almost 250 ml of Softy, almost. And again, creaminess, hardness, and same story repeated. The quality, the hardness, and looks. I mean, looks also a major point in Softy. I mean, if our customer is kids, so kids concern is look. What kind of look the Softy have, right? For example, if I'm putting some choco chip over here or any toppings, I'm just pour on it and give to the customer or a kid. So customer also give us a positive feedback and comes to us again and again. Now we are pouring it again. Now we have put it back again. See, we not felt gently, we are forcing it, but it's not lose its grip. See. Okay, in this machine, as you know, like 2 separate flavors are there and 1 mix up. I mean, you can say 3 flavors are there. But in this machine, we can make thick milkshakes and cold coffee also. With that, from these 3 flavors, how to convert sundaes or any other dessert, that we have own the secret recipes. We'll let you know about it whenever you come to us, join to us. We'll let you know about it, each and everything, right? Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, link is mentioned below in the description. Please like and share. If you like our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notification. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.